What's up guys, it's Eric from Financial Hawks. So you probably came to this video very confused since you've probably seen some of my investment app videos and now wondering why I'm telling you guys not to invest. Well, yeah, unless you don't meet some of these things here that we're about to go ahead and discuss, then you should not invest. So first off, one of the big reasons on why you shouldn't invest is because your interest payments and debt is higher than your investment returns. This is a wild one, but something you guys probably haven't even thought about. If you're only making $5 a month from your stocks, or heck, even $100 a month, but your interest payments from all of your other debt is $150 plus a month, then you investing all of that money to even make $5 a month or even make $100 a month is actually putting you even more in a hole, since you'll still be paying the interest payments on your debt regardless, while spending additional money on continually buying stocks and sinking your money there. It would be smarter to actually have paid off your debt, especially the ones with high interest, so that when you do go back to investing, everything is just profit, instead of having to worry about your interest payments on your credit card debt or other debt causing you to be sunk in the negatives even more. Another reason you shouldn't invest is because you don't have any savings account, like a short-term fund or even a long-term fund. Because you're probably watching this right now and have zero savings accounts. Like, bruh, you need to, at the very least, have an emergency fund, like $2,000, just in case if like your vehicle messes up or a family emergency pops up. And then some money on top of that for your short-term fund, which should be about 3 to 4 months worth of income. I'd even go further and say you should go ahead and have your long-term fund saved up too, something that you can rely on for at least a year. So if you do lose your job or something major happens during these crazy times, you won't have to rely on taking money out of your stocks, since you want your stocks to sit and grow versus getting taken out immediately once a financial hurdle pops up. So if you haven't already, start building up that savings account now, at least your short term. And another reason you shouldn't invest is because you think you're going to magically get rich. You magically putting in some money in the stock market overnight will not make you a millionaire. I'm sorry to tell you this, guys, but it is what it is. Stocks are more of a long-term deal that you'll have to consistently let grow, at least to really make some big money. A lot of people think they can just put some money into random stocks and in a couple of months or a year they'll be balling, and that's definitely not the case. Now, if you are someone making a lot of money and you're investing millions of dollars per month or per year, then yeah, you can for sure make some high returns if invested in the right stocks. But most people on the planet can't do that, so you're gonna have to work your way up. Again, another reason that I preach on this channel about starting a business and creating other sources of income so that you can go ahead and start increasing your income exponentially. And with those extra funds, really start investing properly. So if you don't meet any of those requirements, then you're good to slowly invest. So yeah, if you already have your savings accounts already set up, or at least have your debts paid off with higher interest than what you would be making in your stocks, higher interest than what you will be making in your stock increase, and you know that you can go ahead and start investing without touching that money for months or even years, then you can go ahead and have fun doing some investing. Investing is definitely a fun thing to do. It's something that I have a lot of joy in. But even I had to take a pause on mine so I could go ahead and focus on debt and getting my accounts in order. And if I can do that, I know you guys can too. Also, if you're looking for some free cash to invest with, to just have growing on the side while you work on tackling your debt, click on the referral links below. For Stash App, it's a free $20, and for Acorns, a free $5. You can have that there as encouragement for you to finish saving up and paying off debt. So you'll be truly ready to invest and actually making some money on the side for years to come. Be sure to click on one of the videos on the screen now to learn how to make some money online or to help out with budgeting. And I'll be seeing you guys there in a few seconds.